Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Future Orbits, and welcome to some live session here with me. Hope you're doing well. It's time, guys. It's time. It's time for the next trade. It's time for the next stream. Yo, 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 Morty. AFM, hope you're doing well. Hello, hello, hello. Nice to see you guys. So, guys, do you notice something different? You notice something different? Camera is smaller and we got chat above. We got chat above. That news was crazy. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it is. So if you guys don't know what Morty is talking about, we just had news here at 2:30. It was the average hourly earnings coming out a little bit lower than expected, which is horrible for currency. So that's good for gold. That's why gold pushed a little bit up. Then we had non-employment, farm employment rates, which is the NFP, which is very, very good for currency, which means gold went a little bit down. So that's why I saw gold go up and then gold go a little bit down. And then we had the unemployment claims, which is also very, very good for currency because it's lower than expected, which is also very good for currency. So that means gold goes down. And then you have the unemployment rate, which is a little bit higher than expected, which is bad for currencies. That means gold goes up, and that's why you saw this movement here where it like went up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But overall, I think we're going down because there are most news pointing towards gold going down. But does that mean that we can come up and touch that 150 first before coming all the way down, or 1,000 4,200? No. Because as we talked about, we are in the last wave here, coming down with the Elliott wave. And if you draw your level here, you can see here that you haven't really fulfilled this level just yet here. You see that? You see you haven't broken out here. You tried to break out right there. You tried to break out right here, but you failed both times. And now it shows that news is a little bit more bearish than bullish. And we're also currently rejecting from this 1 hour fair value gap right here. Rejected, rejected, and now rejected again. So let's look on the 30 if we can see here any kind of rejection here on the 15, on the 5, coming down into this fair value gap here, right there. Now, if the 3-minute closes below here, you got an engulfing candle, and then what can you do? You can put your stop loss above here, and then you can sell it down, right? That would be our first trade. If it fails, it fails. I need to see this 3-minute close bearish. I need to see this being very, very rejected. There we go. So now I'm going to get in for a trade, guys. Stop loss above here. Let me know entry. Right here. Sell now. Let me know entry. 4,078. Stop loss is going to be above, which is going to be 88, I guess. No, wait, it's not gonna be 88. It's gonna be 83. EB1 is gonna be 65. EB2 is gonna be 4,012. EB3 is gonna be 3,980. EB4 is gonna be 3,900, and then EB5 is gonna be the level that I've been expecting all the time, 3,765. Okay. This is the trade we are currently in. Let me know your entry. Got our stop loss right here. Oh, sorry, not 83. I'm so sorry. No, not 83. 93. I'm so sorry. Really difficult to see here. There we go. There it is. Right there, above the highs. Yes. Lovely. Okay. Mossy, would you like many viewers? Let's make you popular. No, thank you. No, thank you, man. Thank you. But no, thank you. We just need to find a top sell. Yep. 4,078, 4,079, 4,079. Nice, bro. Where's my phone? There you go. So we're in here. Have to adjust this a little bit myself. Okay, guys. We're running 30 pips here. If we can come down here, grab those 40 pips here, then I will trail my stop loss. Okay. Just wait it here. Okay, we are running Guys, let me know your entry. Let me know your entry. Not 78, by the way, to 79. That was 92. See if we can do it. Hello, Sora. Yeah, 78.3. Yep. Let's see if we can come down and hit that TV1. Almost pushing through, guys. 30-minute just close bearish here. Get a push here. Let's get a push here. Come on. Stop fucking around now, bro. Just push through. We're done with consolidating. The news came out. It's very bearish. 3-minute also close bearish here. Heck yeah, looks like we're both looking for shorts. Let's go, Sling Boss. See if we can get that TV1. Sorry, not TV1. 40 pips. See if we can get 40 pips here. We got 40 pips here. Once you come down to this low, guys, I want you to trail your stop loss, okay? I don't like that it's so difficult for it to come. I don't understand this. Why is it so difficult for it to come down? The news are so bearish. We're having more manipulation now. Aren't we done with the manipulation? I mean, I even went live 20 minutes after the stock market opened, and crazy. I was still manipulating. Just come down already. Crazy. Got B, damn it. My EA puts B at 35 pips. I guess need to move the setting. Well, that's fine if it goes up now. Then you are not gonna get this loss. See here. Now went back to 83 again. See. In that 3-minute family gap here now. Okay, we got a good top wick there. And push it down. Push it down there. Nice. Okay, 3-minute flipping. Okay, coming down again. Can we move it down and hit that bottom wick there so I can trail my stop loss? Thank you. No more of this nonsense. Manipulation happened. You already grabbed that top wick there. Manipulation happened. You already grabbed that bottom wick there. There's no reason for more than manipulation. Just go down now. I went live after the news. I went live after the news calmed it down, and after the manipulation to the both sides. So there should be no question about whether gold is bullish or bearish here. Let's see. Just straight down to this bottom wick here. We can trail our stop loss. What just happened? Hello? Stop doing that, please. Okay, here we go. Come on. Hey, Alan. I see a live stream. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the stream. Hit 40 pips. It sure did. But I don't want 40 pips, Mori. I want that full breakdown. I don't see why it's so stubborn. Like, there shouldn't be more manipulation. Like, it's been 30 minutes after the New York session opened. Stock market opened. We already took liquidity here. We already took liquidity here. There's no reason for this. Hey, Mogament KH. Hope you're doing well. No, I'm sorry, I don't remember you, man. Let's see. We're still at 100. We're not pushing up. So weird. It's so weird, guys. So weird. Yeah, for real, it's low-key annoying, but knowing gold, it might want a liquidity sweep hour for more confluence. No, but it's like, it's rejecting here. You see here? Rejected, 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 and now again rejected, right? Even the 3-minute fair value gap got rejected. The 5 closed bearish. It looks like it's just consolidating, to be honest now. See. Yeah, gold loves this game. Yeah, I know, but I thought I missed. I thought I got over that, you know, like because I went live way later than I usually do. Usually the big move already happened here at this time, but we haven't moved. Like I can see this news went up, then went down, but the big move didn't happen. The reason why I go live for New York session, guys, and why I skip London and Asia session is because I want to avoid all that bullshit. I want to avoid silver bullet hour or whatever they call it from ICT. I want to avoid, you know, the golden hour. I want to avoid the New York session open. I want to avoid the stock market open. I want to avoid all these things. Just want price action, pure price action, not this bullshit, not this consolidation bullshit. That's why I trade after New York session open. One should think that this was the manipulation move and this was the manipulation move. You got your confluences, you had a 5-minute engulf in, then you had another 5-minute engulf in, the 3-minute engulfed here, you had a fair value gap, you filled the fair value gap, you came down, you broke here. You did not take out the low though. You see the 5 pushing a little bit up here now. See, still rejecting here as well. Like even here. Look at that. Crazy. Back at 83.7. Why is DXY not coming up? It's so weird. Look at this. This is bad for DXY, which would push gold up. But this is good for DXY. This is good for DXY. These two news events here are much more valuable than this one. I get it, this one is powerful as well. But it's like we're talking 0.1%. 0.1%. It should roll over and show that gold is bearish. It should not stall around here. It should just come down and hit my TB. At least come down for the wick fill here, right? That's what I'm saying. If it comes down to this wick here, then we can trail our stop loss and have that as the first trade, right? Is it possible to get another entry? You're already in drawdown, bro. So you can enter here for a better entry than we got. You're very welcome to enter here at a better entry. Right now I am in 30 pips drawdown. So you will get a much better entry than we do. You're not missing anything. We haven't been in profit yet. Only been in profit here from 79 to 74. Okay, that's a good top wick there. Okay, come on, daddy. Come on, baby daddy. Baby daddy gold. Where do you get it body from? Where do you get your body from?
Where'd you get that body from?
I got it from my daddy. I got it from my daddy.
Come on, gold. I'm already in one time at 79. Ah, okay. No, I'm not going to enter again. Because if this breaks out, you're going to go up and then you have to get in for a bullish movement. I will put my stop loss above here, guys. Above this high here. Okay? I'll put my stop loss above this high. Because if it starts breaking out, that's just crazy, man. That's just crazy. I know it's a big stop loss, but if this is a manipulative move to come down again afterwards, look at that. Look at this 5. Look at this 15. What are you on about? I don't understand it. It's so weird. It makes absolutely no sense. See, now DXY is starting to move up, which means gold should go down, right? But look at that shit. What are you on about? Came up here. Another consolidation move here. So we went up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now you're in those highs right there. Let's see here. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna enter one more time here. One more time. Same stop loss. Same stop loss, okay? Same TP, everything. Okay, now you have a second layer, okay? The first layer you had here 79. Second layer you have at 88, okay? Remember what we always do? Second layer, 88. When this happens, we always do it this way, that we enter for a second layer. And then once we come down into profit with this one, we close the bad layer and then we keep this layer, okay? Right? You know how it works. You know how I trade. I don't believe this is a breakout, guys. Not for once. I believe that what you're seeing here is manipulation again. And that you're just like consolidating. And this bullshit, I don't even know, like... Hey, what's up, guys? Hope it's our short from yesterday. 4,112 entry is still running. What should I do with it? Let it run. I have my BE at 4,122. I haven't moved the BE yet, so I'm still in that short, yeah. But if you break here at 96, you can close it, right, and get some profit. So you can manage your risk with this one. Your boss, what's up, man? Abu, oh no! You have 2 layers. You have 2 layers, guys. Okay. So now your second layer here is running 10 pips in profit. Once it comes down below here, we're going to close this one at BE or a little bit in profit, and we're going to keep the 88 level. Okay. We need you today. I mean, I can't do much. Everything looks bearish, but then for some reason, DXY don't want to move up and gold is going up for no reason. Like, it doesn't make sense. Okay. It's not even the high. Not even the high, man. Not even the high. Let's see if it's gonna hold the level. 3-minute came up, rejected again. Let's see, we are 30 pips away from stop loss. 20 pips away from stop loss. 10 pips away from stop loss. 10 pips away from stop loss, guys. Last one. I'm gonna move it to 96. This is the last one. If we break the high, I'm out. Big loss if it breaks the high. It's 15 pips away from stop loss. This is the high, guys. If it breaks the high, we're out. But it already took out the high here, and it took out the high here. So I don't know why it's coming up for a third time. It makes no sense at all. Tap 94.7. Still barely alive. If it takes out the high, guys, we're out. Okay. 94.9. Okay. See. It does make sense. We're respecting the London high and prices pushing up next area of liquidity. Bro, did you look at news? Did you look at news? You went from 53k to 119k. There is no reason whatsoever why gold should go up. We already tapped into 130 and we rejected it and we came down below 100. Okay, I think I'm gonna get out here. Let's see. 0.9 pips away from stop loss. 0.7 pips away from stop loss. Came up to 95.3. .2 pips away. I'm gonna hit stop loss, guys. There it is. I'm out. Wow, what a big loss. Damn it. Crazy. Crazy. That was a huge one. That's 150 pips. Not a good start. Minus 150 pips. So it looks like we're coming up again. Okay. So question is where it's gonna go up to then, because I thought we had that Elliott wave touch right there at 130 where we took the sell yesterday on the live stream. So minus 150 pips. So question is if you're gonna come up and touch 150 then. If you're gonna come up and touch 150. GG stop loss hit. Yep. News is just manipulation. That's why we're talking a liquidity. Bro, we already got liquidity. Look at this. You rejected the fair value gap here. This is the daily fair value gap, by the way. That's the daily fair value gap. You rejected it. Came down, closed below. And then you closed below here on the 4 hour. Came down here, created a lower low. This is not a higher low. This is a lower high. Not a higher high or anything like that. You didn't take out any structure here. You are in a downtrend. Crazy. It makes no sense whatsoever. We already got our leg down. DXY keeps moving down now. It's so bullish for DXY and so bearish for gold, and still we are moving up. Price about to tap Asian high. Yeah, you have this one. 130. So I guess 150 is going to be the next level then. So we're coming up to the daily fair value gap one more time, guys. I don't understand why, because according to the Elliott wave, you got your fourth wave here, and the fifth wave here is the one that's going to push it down towards 3,700. So for me, it should fall over. Should fall over. Let's see. Very big loss, man. Yeah, I know. I know, bro. And the worst part is we were 50 pips profit, but I didn't take profit. Normally I move stop loss, but all the time when we move stop loss, we hit the BE. That's why I didn't move it. I'm sorry, guys. Two extra, yeah, but the second one, bro, we won in at 88, you know, and we took it out at 93, so that was like another 40 pips. But yeah, very big loss. Yeah. Now you have your order block here. And you gotta see if price respects it. If it doesn't respect it, it's gonna come up to 150. 2.2. This one is negative. This one is negative. This one is negative, but this is an orange folder. These ones are positive, and this is a big number. Big number, big number. From 53 to 119k. Typical goal, it does its own way. Yup, check. Let's see how it's reacting to this top here. This was the Asia high. And this one here's the Wednesday high. Okay. But yeah, it's my mistake, guys. I should have taken profit. We were in 50 pips profit. I need to make the rule for myself that even though we're not moving 100 pips, then I need to take 40 pips profit. When we move 40 pips, I'm gonna move BE from now on, because that was not nice. That was not nice. That was the 2 days we just had profit. We just lost there. Price came up to 107. You could sell at 104. Okay, Morty. All right. Now we gotta see how price is gonna react to Asia high. I'm really surprised that news did not do more to gold there. But Kof, the worst part is that we took 3 trades on VIP. We won them all. All 3 trades. Doing news. But I'm gonna be honest, guys. I don't understand this, because you have the high here. You created a higher high. Then you created a lower low. Then you fail to create a higher high here, so you have your lower high here, right? Here you get a lower low, lower high, lower low. You're not breaking the high. You did not break the high. So for me, it makes no sense why we would come up here again. We didn't even touch the Asia high, by the way. I hope we can recover it, man. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can get a 400 pip move. That'll be great. But I needed to touch the Asia high first. Currently, you just touched 106. Disrespecting this one here. Let's look at DXY again. And now DXY starts to move up. No reason why it should come up to 4,100 again. We even touched 109 here. We touched 130 here. We should be done with 4,100. So you came up into this 15-minute fair value gap, and you rejected and pushed down. I want price to come up, push and touch Asia high before I'm taking any trades, guys. Right now you have a double top, but you didn't touch the Asia high though. I'm waiting for price to come up and touch 110. 110.19. But of course, if we get a bullish candle, we come into the family gap and we get an engulfing candle, then we can take the sell again. But yeah, you failed to break above. So again, just pure manipulation. Pure manipulation, guys. There's no uptrend here. It's just... I guess they wanted to touch 4,100 again and Asian high again. For no reason whatsoever. GX5 pushing up. As we saw with the news. So in order for us to recover, we need to get this move down to here. That's 400 pips. I'm just waiting, guys, for either an engulfing candle that will break this structure and then come down, roll over, or Asia high to be taken out. My 4,104 sell hit my 20 and 40 pips so far. Nice. What made you sell at the 4,104? Was it the order block? 40? Why just like right before Asia session? Asia high one, sorry. Let's see. We came back, touched where we broke out. Let's see if we can get this motion here. See? For our family gap. We already mitigated it, bro. Yesterday. Hey, thank you for the follow, Nakio. I have faith in you will recover the loss for sure. Yes, let's see. Note to the left. Yeah, this one. This 4 hour here. We already mitigated here on this candle yesterday. That one. See? Already mitigated 1 hour here as well. I'm not so much into like you can use the same family gap again. That's why I believe when you have a daily family gap and it got mitigated, you're not gonna mitigate it again because it's already mitigated. Doesn't really make sense. At a lower time frame, you can touch the same thing multiple times, of course, but yeah, I'm not so big of a, you know, what's called a big of supporter of family gaps being mitigated multiple times, because then I don't think you can trust it. Okay, guys, there was the touch. Let's see if we can take that Asia high. Once we take the Asia high, I'm waiting for a rollover, and then we can see if we get an golfing kettle. Obviously, I think the music kills the vibe. Yes. Oh, wait. I have to use epidemic music, bro, because otherwise I'm getting copyright strike left and right. And the reason why I don't see my VODs on Twitch and the reason why I don't see my VODs on YouTube and stuff like that is because I get copyright striked for all these music. And if I keep going with that, I think they're gonna take down my channel. So I'm not risking it, man. But why is it all girl music? I don't understand. I went to pop, not to... It's all like women singing like some kind of... I mean, that's also like a vibe, of course, but not really what I was looking for. What about this one? Yeah, that's better. Yesterday, music got us wailing. Yeah. Okay, guys. Waiting for that high at the Asia high. If we don't get it, then we have to wait for this to close and then have a family gap. Right now, you have a 3-minute family gap right here. We gotta see how price react to it. My sell at 104 is working. Yeah, let's see, Morty. Let's see. I still believe you have to touch the Asia high when you're up here. You literally rejected at 107, made people sell, and then you know you have the Asia high here, right? 109, 110. Okay, guys, let's see. We can come up here, touch the family gap. How's DXY looking? DXY pushing up slowly here. See if we can tap it, guys. Gotta be patient. We gotta be patient. I need some kind of liquidity sweep here. At 10 to 15, something like that. And then a break below. Let's look for hopeful, inspirational. Okay, what are the quotes you're gonna put here? Inspirational or what? Or hopeful? Hopeful. Hopeful suspense. Let's see. That better? It's gonna be suspenseful. It'll be exciting. Gotta sweat a little bit, you know? Down, 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 Chinatown. Hopefully not, Morty. Hopefully we can just get that Asia high first. So we can get a really good trade. Wish I could that copy trade thing. You can. Like we have cents and we have also dollar. Just gotta create an account. Oh, but of course, if you're from USA, you cannot do it. Okay. Now we have a 3-minute engulfing candle here. Right there, there's a 3-minute engulfing candle. But I cannot sell this, guys. We haven't tapped into the 3-minute Fabry gap or taken out the Asia high. If it wants to go down, then it can't leave until it takes out Asia high. Exactly. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm not gonna sell it. Now you're in the 3-minute bullish family gap. See? Interesting. Market is just crazy at the moment. Yeah, it's also Friday tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We're all gonna get fried because it's Friday, you know? Yeah, now you don't have news for the rest of the day. But I'm very, very surprised that we didn't have a bigger move with this. This is big, guys. This is like 50k more. It's even more than that. It's like 60k more, right? It's 60k more. Oh my god, this sounds like the news event. Okay, let's see. We gotta have something here. Okay. Pushing through that 3-minute. Yeah, crazy number and just chopping around. Yeah, when we were live for the VIP session, Mike, I honestly thought that, okay, now we're gonna break down. Because it was looking so good, you know? You had the liquidity to the downside, you had the liquidity to the upside, and this here would roll over and break. But then, this happened. And now I'm just like, what is going on? Like, like look at this, why? It's pushing up, right? Now we gotta wait until Asia high is gonna be taken out. It could take a long time though. Could take a long time. This is your 3-minute engulf. This is your 3-minute Fably gap. Okay, so it's respecting this one. Hey, Gurmy. Is it better with this music now, guys? We're gonna fry the market, you mean? I have just joined. Nice to see you on live stream, Gurmy. I hope you're doing well. We're currently waiting for market to take out the Asia high. Once we take the Asia high, we're gonna look for sells. Did you take any trade? We took one trade. Unfortunately, it was a loss. But now we're waiting for that Asia high to be taken out. Hope you're doing good too. Doing well. Let's give it up for Gurmy. Let's see here if we can get it. If we can get it. Market starts to push up a little bit here. Sorry I couldn't join yesterday. That's totally fine, man. Hello again. Been a while. Took a break. Hey, Jakar. Nice to see you, man. Long time no seen. Yeah, it's okay to take a break once in a while. Okay, if we get a 3-minute engulfing candle here, guys, we might be able to take that buy up into the Asia high. Okay, we didn't get a 3-minute engulfing. Forget what I said. How's the weather? It's snowing. It's crazy snowing, guys. Gotta tell you, it's snowing so much. Guys, for you who are in the chat, I want you to go and check out our Discord. Check out our Telegram. Go join there. Even after the stream, guys, please be active. Type to each other. Remember, we have a hobby room. We have a mindset room. We have a member trades room where you can put your own trade ideas, or you can see what other people are doing as well. You can talk about trading. We have like animal room where you can share your cats, or you know, your dogs, or whatever it is. Like, let's make the Discord active, guys. It'll be so great if we can create a community. I see you guys are starting to talk more and more. It's nice. I love to see you typing. I also gotta be more active, but I think where I will be mostly active will be during the weekend. Just, you know, check in and see how you guys are doing. Let's see here. Okay. Are we starting to have something here maybe that could be interesting? Without taking out the Asia high, guys, we cannot take the trade. I'm so sorry. I want to take the trade, but here. We tapped the previous breakout. Okay, guys. I think I would like to take a very small buy and see if we can target that Asia high, okay? If we can target that Asia high, that'll be very nice. But you have to keep tight stop loss just below here, okay? Not too much. Just like 60 pips, okay? I know we lost. I know we lost, and this is not gonna make up for it at all. But if you can target that Asia high and following the trend up after we touched here again, I think it would be great. Okay? I'm getting in here. Let me know your entry. This is the 91 with a tight stop loss at 85, okay? 60 pips. So hopefully we can take it up here. And of course, once we run 60 pips, we're gonna take our TP, so we have the 1-to-1, right? And then we have our Asia high there, which is gonna be 15. And then of course, if we come up to that 150 level, that will also be interesting, right? But it's just to get a little bit of the loss back here. If we can come up and take out that Asia high, that'll be lovely. Okay? I do not think Asia high will be taken out. Why do you don't think Asia high will be taken out? We came up to 107. We need to take Asia high in order to go down, right? Isn't it? Just had that. Let's see here. Okay, guys, we're running here a little bit. Right. Okay. Not getting all the loss back, but at least we can get something back here, okay? If we're pushing here, we can check out this high. Okay. Running 30 pips. Are you with me, guys? Who's in this trade? Let's see. Okay, we got 40 pips here. Got 40 pips here. And 60 pips, 50 pips. And guys, please trail your stop loss to above entry for risk-free trades. Take some partial here. Hopefully this will be enough for a little bit of a recovery. A little bit of recovery. Let's see. And right there, we're out again, I think. Yep, out there. So this is what I'm saying, guys. 40 pips, 50 pips. Much better. Much better. Much better, okay? 40 pips. I know it's nothing compared to what we lost before, but I'm just slowly getting a little bit of it back, okay? Why don't you wait for the internal chains of carry? Because I'm not a freaking OCT, what is called ICT, smart money concept trader. Bro, like, I trade my way, you trade your way. We all trade in our own ways. The beauty about trading is that there are so many different traders, so many different ways of trading, right? Everybody trade their own way. I don't look for chains of characters or BOS or all that stuff, you know? The only thing I use for smart money concept is engulfing candle. But engulfing candle also applies to normal trading, resistance, support, you know, like major levels, key levels, supply demand, all that stuff. It's all the same thing, just different names, bro. And then people have their small little tweaks here and there and stuff like that. All the same. All the same. Okay, let's see if we can use this as support. Would like to learn your way, buddy? Yeah, you're welcome to join the incentive or the VIP or the academy, bro. Like Mike in the chat, he's already ready for the incentive, and same as Caitlin. And we have some people from Australia and United States as well, who's also popped up and ready for the incentive. On the incentive, I teach you my full strategy. I teach you my full way of how I trade and how I use layers to always stay profitable. Looks like it was a good choice with this one, but it just came down and touched one more time here. If I get that internal, sorry, not no, I want to say internal because this guy said that. Now, if I wait this 3-minute engulfing, if I can get that 3-minute engulfing, then I would take another buy, I think. Let's see. Ever since I have used higher time frame, I found my edge. Yeah, that's why I was selling, bro. Look at that. This is why I was selling. I saw we came up and filled. Wait, this music is too loud. Isn't it too loud for you guys? Let me just. There we go. Okay. So, what I'm saying here, bro, is that we had this order block happening in this fair value gap. That was the daily one. That was your leg up from the Elliott wave, okay? That was your leg up. Then I was expecting us to go directly down from this leg because we also rejected that order block right here. But for some reason, you had to come up here again and touch here. And that's why I was like so confused, because you already touched one time and you already rejected the order block. There's no reason for you to come up into the daily fair value gap as well when you have a NFP coming out with I think it's changing all the time, 119 here, which is like almost 60k higher than expected, which makes DXY very bullish and gold very bearish. So you're continuing the trend down, but for some reason we had to come up to Asia high first and take that out. That's what I'm waiting for right now, and that's why we took that buy, okay? Now we're waiting here a little bit. This movement here looks a little bit like this one as well, so I don't even know if it's gonna, you know, do this again and makes all this nonsense movement. I don't think it's a valid order block if the green wick to the left is engulfed by the red wick to the right. No, this one touched already. This one is done. This order block is done. But that's why I'm asking, why are we coming up again? I don't understand why you want to equal high or why you want to sweep this high here when you already close below this low here. For me, this is a lower low, lower high, and then you're going to have a lower low. But I don't understand why we got this wick, because news is so bearish for gold and bullish for DXY. That's why I was so confused. Because normally in an Elliott wave, you have your leg up, you have your leg down, then you have that retest right there, then you continue down, and then you have a last leg up for the next retest, which we got here, which is where we sold yesterday, right? We sold here at that, what was it? Where is it? 4,000. We sold here at 4,126, right? And people still have their runners here from 122. It happened on Twitch. You can see the VOD. You can go back and see it. We got 400 pips here. We could have held it all the way down here to 83, right? Price came up, retested. And this was enough. This was enough for me. For me, this was your retest into that hourly fair value gap. And then rejection to the downside. But we had to come up again close bullish, and now we have a new candle starting with a wick down here. For me, that doesn't make sense. Because you haven't touched the Asia high, and also you broke the low here. See? Created a lower low right here. Not equal low, because the candle closed here. This is a lower low. And then you had a support here. Then you failed to create the higher high. See? There's your higher high. Failed to create the higher high. And then suddenly you had to go up and have equal highs, I guess. For me, it doesn't make sense. So I'm waiting for price to fall over and roll over and come down. But I just can't do it without that Asia high. Damn, bro, last time I liquidated my account because I followed your signals. Let's hope it's better this time. Because you followed my signals. How can you liquidate your account by following my signals? You should use proper risk management. 0.5% of your account, 1% maximum. If you have a 100% account, let's say $100, you do 0.5%. That means you're risking $50. If you have $1,000, you're risking $50. Right? If you have $10,000, you're risking what is called $500, right? If you risk more than 1%, you are literally risking too much. I was too convinced. Even the best traders out there, they can also fail. And you can always have bad days, and you can always have bad weeks and bad months. Some of the biggest swing traders out there, if you look, they can have 2 months in a row where they lose, but then they can have 4 months in a row after that they win and still have a good year. Erica, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the like. Yesterday we had like 4 to 5 trades over 500 pips. It's a part of the game. Yep. Do we see another green? Well. We did not engulf here. We closed just here. I cannot buy this. But this is looking promising. 5 closed above. 1 minute leaving a fair value gap right here. Right there. Let's see here. See if we can come up here. 30 minutes and 1 hour is about to flip here. Without a 3-minute engulfing. Thank you so much for the follow, Jimmy. And guys, you on the other social media, you can also type in the chat because I can see all the chats. I have multi-stream on. I can see all the chats. But short scalps is too difficult with the time delay, I think. Oh yeah, there's like a, I think there's like a 7 seconds or 10 seconds delay due to the multi-stream. Okay, we got a push here. See, are we coming up to the Asia high? $15 looks like it's pushing out now. And you're respecting this low here, you see that? So it looks like price is creating some higher highs, higher lows here. Let's see here. We're at 95. 5 minute pushing from that order block there. Almost got a 3-minute engulf in here. Let's see. It's too far away now for us to take it. No, we cannot take it here, guys. We cannot take it here. not take it here. No way. No way, Jose. Let's see. We did close above here. In the 1 minute. We did close above here in the 3 minute. Okay. Here's a 3 minute Beverly gap just below the Asia low. Guys, Asia high is just here, okay? The price can come up, take this out, we come down, we create a 3 minute engulf again, we can sell, okay? All right. If you don't want a delay, guys, what you can do, you can join VIP. They have 0 delay because they are on Zoom. That's also something we can do. I'll leave it right there. Okay, let's see how price reacts. Okay, tapped into it. So there you go. See? See if it flips, guys, here. If we can take a little trade up to the Asia high. Let's see. Wait for it to flip and then I'm gonna get in. Unless we're just gonna come all the way down now. See how it reacts. Okay, you're testing the 3 minute and 1 minute Fabry gap here. Wait. We're not in any trades, guys. We're not in any trades. I want to take the trade if it flips. Okay? To take it up to the Asia high. Alright, so that would be a low there if price flips now. Okay? You ready? It's gonna be a tight one, okay? Tight stop loss, okay? 40 pips. These are your best setups because you can just literally put it below the Fabry gap. But the best setup we can get is if price comes down into this Fabry gap and flips up with the 3 minute engulfing, right? Okay. So this is your 3 minute engulfing, which means if you take out this 3 minute, then you can get in for a buy. Okay? But you have to take out this 3 minute engulfing. You did not engulf the previous move here to the downside, which means if you engulf to the upside here now, you got your 3 minute engulfing. So let's see here. Now you got a 3 minute Fabry gap right here. Currently testing it. Maybe a different opportunity here. Let's see. Maybe better risk to reward here. Let's see. Okay, in the 3 minute Fabry gap, yeah. And tapping into the 1 minute here as well. Okay. All right. Wait for the closure. Come on. No, not yet. Okay. Okay, we might have the best setup here with the smallest stop loss. We tapped into all the fair value gaps here. See if this is a sweep or if this is a continuation down. And 7% right there. Breaking the low here. Okay, we're sweeping the low here. Let's see. Let's see. Close below here. Wait. We did not take out the Asia high yet. Waiting to see if we get a 3-minute engulfing candle here or a 3-minute fair value gap here. A lot of waiting today, guys. I'm so sorry. A lot of waiting today. Oh, sorry. A lot of manipulation today. All right. Okay. Okay. What are we doing here, gold? Are we rolling over now? Without that Asia high, I don't like the setup, you know? One big manipulation day, guys. Look at that. Also, no engulfing candle. Only a fair value gap, but no engulfing candle. One giant 5-minute engulfing candle, but it's like, you know, not sell here and then, you know. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Big move to the downside. Big move. All right, guys, waiting for this 1 minute. We get the best risk to reward here. Best stop loss here possible. If we can flip. One price to flip up here. If it doesn't flip up, then we're gonna miss it, but it is what it is. We cannot do anything. We cannot get in here and put stop loss above here. It's not well we lost before. We recovered a little bit under 40 pips or 50 pips, but it's not enough. Not enough. Dumping. Yeah, Morty, you really got something for your money here, huh? Okay, guys. So once we flip here, I would like to take it up to the Asia high if we flip here. But we cannot take it here. If it keeps going down, we cannot take it. Only if it takes out the high, okay? How is the RSI working right now? Let's see. We're right above 50. Right above 50. Okay. I'm trying to get the best risk to reward here. So currently you rejected from the hourly fair value gap, but you did not come up and touch here. You did not touch Asia high. You rejected right before. Yeah. Okay, guys, once we take out this high, we have tight stop loss here below, okay?
Get shit on, brother.
Okay, be ready? You ready? Taking it up to Asia high, okay? Get ready. Okay, dumping again. No trade. Thanks, Xauusd, you're a legend. Hopefully we can get something, Morty. But nice dump you got there, Morty. Really nice. Look at that. Okay, is it happening now? Maybe. Is the 1 hour looking now? Yeah. Put the 15. Okay, guys, be ready. Ready? Once we take out the high. Alright, I'm gonna get in here. 482. Stop loss will be 474. So tight stop loss here, 60 pips. Just below the low, okay? Now taking it to 488. Hopefully we can recover a little bit, guys. Hopefully we can recover a little bit. Alright. Running 20 pips. Running 30 pips. Remember, after 50 pips, guys, we gotta trailer stop loss, take partial, okay? Got in a 78. Nice, Morty. Really nice catch you got there. Okay, 5 just closed bullish. Very nice. Let's see. Okay, guys. Running 40 pips. And please take partial here. Take partial here. Okay. Let's trail our stop loss to just above entry for risk-free trade. I know it's annoying, but we have to do it. You saw what happened before. Risk-free. Stop loss above the entry. Okay, let's see. Coming straight down again, right? Yep. Okay, at least you got a little bit of partial there. You got a little bit of partial, but we gotta be cautious. We gotta take a little bit here and there. Okay, so we got 40 pips and we got 50 pips, but we're still short 150 plus pips. Okay, so that means if we trailed a little bit there and we took some partial, hopefully you're down to 100 pips minus now. I'm trying my best to get you guys in and make sure that you are not gonna lose too much. All right. Let's see. What are you witnessing, Senok? What you're witnessing is that I am trying to get a little bit back of the loss we just had. That's what
Get
you're
shit
witnessing.
on, brother.
Okay. 3 minutes just engulfed here. We got equal lows right there. Let's see. See here. Thank you for the follow, Hardy. Let's see what happens. So we're reacting from the 5-minute family gap right now. Everyone needs to understand some days you get loss, some days you make 1000 pips. If you follow Orbits and join my P, you will make profit. Thank you for the support, man.
Brother.
Hey Petro, thank you so much for the follow. Nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. We just engulfed the previous move, guys. So what we can do here is probably we can take another trade here. Let's see. Holding up really nice. Okay, 1 minute closed bullish as well. Okay. So I'm gonna put my stop loss just below this wick here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get in here. Gonna get in here. Yeah. 1087. Tight stop loss below here, guys. 4081. And TB is gonna be 60 pips as well. So that's gonna be 93. TB2 is then gonna be, of course, the Asia high. Right. Let's see what happens. Should roll up now. Here we go. You're still in that trade? Okay, nice. Yeah, and if you're holding your trade, guys, really, really nice. Let's see what happens here. So far, it looks like we're respecting the low. Let's see. We can push it up. Got 3 minute engulfing candle, engulfed, and we filled the family gap. So let's see if we can push it. Nice holding here so far. I would like to put the stop loss lower, guys, but we're just risking our profit we just got. So hopefully it's not gonna push too hard. Maybe I have to put it down below here, guys, at 79.9. 79.9. I wanted to put it below here, but I can't. It's too much. No. Price is just consolidating. Let's see. Can we survive it? Oh, sorry. Can we survive it? I'm still in. Price is reacting a little bit from the 5 minute family gap. Hey, thanks for the follow, Richard. Palma. I see a live stream. Let's see if we can recover here. Okay, looks like we're recovering. Let's go. Let's see, Mori. If we can survive this bottom wick here and we can come up again, that would be great. Nice. 82.4. Looks like it's bouncing. Let's see. 9.9 is right there. Can we survive it and push up? No, it's still pushing. We can respect this order block right here, 50%. Okay. Then push it up. Okay. Come on, hold it, hold it, hold it. Stop loss is just below this wick here, guys. Come on, push it up, push it up. We recovered a little bit. We don't need more loss now. Come on. But this manipulation bullshit. Oh my god. I just want a clean move up to the Asia high. And then I want to take out the lows afterwards. Okay, holding up, holding up. See? Need to take out this high. Just go up for fuck's sake, yeah. Hopefully you can hold here. Come on, gold, you can do it. You can hold it. You can hold it. Come on, you got some good support here, bro. Come on. No. Oh, cannot get a freaking trade, man. It is what it is. Yeah, stop loss. Stop loss. So we lost 2 trades. Kind of free trades because we took a layer. And we won 2 trades with partial. So it's not gonna cover the whole thing. I think total I'm minus 200 pips. I don't know with you guys, but let's see. But yeah, it's a lot of just going up and down. There's no clean moves, no trends. Crazy. Good night. Learned a lot today. Yeah, it's a bad day, bro. It's a bad day. I won't trade news weeks again on gold. Calling it a night. Yeah, it's a bad day. It's a bad day. But let me know, Sinok, if you are so confident in yourself, what are you waiting for here? Because for me, this looks just consolidation, consolidation, liquidity, liquidity. Like, nothing really, you know? Like, you're holding these lows for now, and you're holding these highs for now. Nothing really interesting here at all. I was either expecting us to just fall over and finally get that breakdown to 4,000, or I was expecting us to come up to 150. And since we didn't come up to 150 here, it's just, you know, no TMXs, no. DXY pushing up again, so gold should push down, but we're not really pushing down. Right now you're in this wedge formation. Look at that. Look at the hourly. You're not really moving. Look at this, guys. Touch the high, touch the low, rejected multiple times, and touch the high again. And now you are rolling around here at the 50%, right? You can see here. Keeps coming down, then come up to 0.6, 118. Same thing here, I think. Yeah. Keeps coming down here, touch 1618. See, it touched 1618 here exactly. 73. See that? GG dudes, I'm calling it a night. It is what it is. Guys, if you're done trading, it's totally fine. I'm gonna wait and see if I get a better opportunity. You can call it a night if you want. I'm gonna take one more trade, but I'm just gonna wait for confirmation. I'm waiting for either a break of this high here, or at least Asia session taken out, or I want really, really clean structure to the downside. Markets looking next level retardation. Yup. Yeah. What are you looking at, Synox? What are you looking, Synox? What are you looking at, man? Look, this one looks like it's respecting, right? But I mean, the buys only? But I took a buy. Fail as well. One big manipulation. Okay, on Bitcoin, we're currently at 90. Are we breaking some structure here? Coming into an hourly family gap right there. Look at that. Look how price came down, took out this wick. Wow. There's a 15-minute family gap right here. Bitcoin is just rolling over. Crazy. If you guys sold Bitcoin when it broke through 98, damn, you'll be looking really, really good in profit here with Bitcoin. What about silver? Silver still stuck at 51. Do we have anything else? Anything remotely interesting to trade? Daily is currently being respected in this daily family gap. See there? Price came down, touched the order block, pushed down, then pushed up. Now coming into this 1 hour family gap here. So we created a higher high here, and we came down to equal lows right here. If you can get a sweep and then a 3-minute engulfing, maybe we can take a GBP USD trade. Should I listen to Thomas, Bitcoin Master? Oh well. Bad day, I'm going to the pub. Okay. Alright, see you, Morty. Take care, man. Yeah. Just tapped into the hourly there. I like this double bottom here, reaching into that previous order block right there. Hey Grace, thank you so much for the follow. Nice in live stream. I hope you're doing well. We're currently looking at GBP USD. We got totally fucked on gold, so right now we're trying to see if we can get another trade here. 5 minutes. Looks like it's trying to engulf a little bit of the move. Not that much. Edwin, thank you for the follow. Nice to live stream. We're looking at GBP USD. We're just done with the gold for now. Let's see here. That double bottom here can be respected. And it looks like it could come up again and fill some of these family gaps here. Yeah, tap right into it. Really nice. Looks like a head and shoulders pattern as well. Could create a right shoulder here, maybe. Something like that. Tapped into it. 1 minute looks very, very tasty as well. The problem is I don't know how many pips we're talking when we look at GBP USD. For example, if I take a trade here and put stop loss below here, I don't know how many pips it is. I just know that we're running profit, you know? And I can see on my screen that we're running profit if we take it.
Get shit on, brother.
130,800 80 with stop loss here. Would that be a good risk to reward, I guess? Guys, I'm gonna take a little trade here on GBP USD. See if we can catch a move up here. So 1.3. $308.79. Okay. Stop loss is gonna be 1.30792. Okay. All right, we got that double bottom. We swept that 1 hour fair value gap. I would like to see if price can come up here into the 5-minute fair value gap here. Okay. Anybody in the trade with me? Nice. Okay, we are falling. We are coming up. Okay, guys. So we are up here from 138.077. And now coming up to 130.594. How much are you up, Spooky? Because I don't know how many pips this is. Because I trade gold, you know. This is 0.06%. So 7 pips, I guess. Or what? Is this 10 pips or is it 100 pips? 10 pips, I guess. This 20 pips? Really? 0.16%? Looks like this might be 20 pips. Is it real? This 20 pips. Okay, but I can't take 20 pips, then I have to take 15 pips because there's a fair value gap here. Once we come up to this level here, then I would like to trail my stop loss. Anybody in the trade with me on GBP USD? Okay. We're up there now. Boogie, how much profit?
Get shit on, brother.
It's 17 pips now, 7 pips profit. Okay. Hey, Morak, thank you so much for the follow. We're currently in a GBP USD trade here. We stop loss below the lowest low here after creating a double bottom. See here if we can take these 17 pips here. But Spooky, that's really, you know, that's really small, right? Isn't it? Compared to gold. I mean, if you risk more on a currency pair, of course, you're gonna get more as well on lower pips. But it just seems so... It seems big, right? Isn't it? So I guess this is 7 pips. 7 pips so far. If we can get 10 pips and then trail our stop loss and then have the 17 pips as a TP1. We get just 10 pips. Got a really nice 5-minute engulfing. Check out the highs. Orbit's in a buy. Yes, I'm in a buy on GBP USD. We had this double bottom here. Boss. And then we tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap right there. You want to look for gold? Yes, I will look at gold again. But I'm currently in a GBP USD trade. But this is not enough pips at all, guys. It's like this is 17 pips. It's crazy and it goes so slow. Spooky, just trail your stop loss to above entry for risk-free trade. We don't want to risk this. We don't want to risk like 17 pips. It's crazy. No, thank you. So I'm risk-free here. If it doesn't come down and hit my stop loss, then I'm good. But 13.87, right? Yeah. Let's see here if we're still in. It's not worth trading Forex. It's so slow. Yeah. Not much moving. No, it's extremely slow. Okay, I will let this run. I have BE. I haven't taken any profit with Spooky. I will wait for 17 pips if we get that. But if we don't get it, then...
Get shit on, brother.
yeah, okay, we're pushing up now on this one. So, Spooky, with me, please trail your stop loss just a little bit higher here. Just to make sure that if it comes a little bit down, you at least get a little bit of profit, okay? 25. Thank you for the follow, Wishu. See if we can take out the high and come up to TP1. So I haven't taken any profit or anything like that. I just want to see if we can take it up to TP1, but it goes so slow. I go back to gold. Let's see. Nah, it's just playing around. Literally just playing around. 4 hour looks very bearish, but then if you look at the 1 hour, it looks bullish. But you are creating that 1 hour order block here in that fair value gap that got rejected. I mean, if you come up here, you have any fair value gap or anything? No, nothing. But you did close below there. You did close below. If you take out the low now, you will engulf the 3 minute and then you are rejecting from the 5. Right? Wait, you got a 5 minute fair value gap right here. Right there. Oh, you tapped into it. You did tap into it. See? If you tap into this fair value gap here, guys, I would take sell here. Take it down to this low here. See if we can continue. And guys, I still hope you have your sells from 4122 that we took yesterday. Okay, GBP USD looking good. If it close below 70 or 72, most likely will drop. Yeah, I agree. But you can't just, you know, sell from here, right? You can say, yeah, it will close below and then it will drop. But where will you put your stop loss, right? That's the thing. Okay, we went into the 5 minute fair value gap there. Let's see how it's respecting. If it's respecting or not. I'm still looking for that Asia high to be taken out. If it doesn't take out the Asia high, real difficult to sell, right? Because we all the time have the pressure of price pushing up towards that Asia high. Oh, XY is pushing down again. This day is one big manipulation move. Oh my god. But bro, it's 5 p.m. If it breaks the low, I think it's gonna run. If it breaks the low, I think it's gonna run down. It's 5 p.m. bro. The market will close in 6 hours. I don't think you have time to come back and get a good entry. Okay, went into the 5-minute family gap there. Can we engulf this? Also came down close below, came up again, touched the neckline. Okay, now it breaks through the 5-minute family gap again. This is not a very, very nice trading day, to be honest. Oh, wait. Oops. How did it go with the GBP USD? Okay, the GBP USD is looking good. Boogie, you still with me in this one? Will you please trail your stop loss to just below this wick here? So 130906. 130906. Okay. And this is our TB1. So are you also in? Are you guys in a trade? Yes, we are in GBP USD. Okay. Hourly just came up and touched the fair value gap and the order block again. Touched the previous wick here. It's crazy, bro. Okay, GBP USD looking good now. Look at that. We're moving. We're moving, Spooky. Let's go. For 17 pips. Oh my god, it's just something else with currency pairs. Holy. Okay, looks like we're gonna hit TB1. Yep. Come on, hit that TB1. Give GBP USD some Red Bull. Red Bull gives you wings. Okay. TB1. Let's go. So there is 17 pips for you. There you go, Spooky. Then we can take another. Another 14 pips here. Okay. We're gonna put our stop loss here. Our new stop loss here at 9.15. There you go. I know it's nothing compared to what we lost in gold, but at least it's something. At least it's something. Here. Now DXY is moving down again. Crazy. And we still haven't taken that Asia high out. Is gold giving a chance to the upside? Well, I don't know what it's giving at the moment, bro. It hit the order block, rejected, and started going down. But if you look DXY is also going down. And now Bitcoin is coming down. Everything is just falling down. Meanwhile, we are hitting TP1 on GBP USD. Okay, we got a 1 minute engulfing there. All right, guys. I'm gonna give this one more chance. One more chance, guys, okay? One more chance. Gold, come on. Let's go, okay? Come on. Once you take out this bottom wick, guys, tight stop loss above here. And then let's take it down. Come on. Come on, gold. One more chance. Here we go. I'm in here, guys. Hey, lol, joining the trade with me, lol. It's the same trade you took, bro? Let's see. Let's see, guys. If we can come down for this wick fill here. Guys, no matter what, if we come down to take out this wick here, I'm gonna trail my stop loss, okay? Not gonna risk it, alright? How's it going with GBP USD? We got that TB1. Everything is good. Okay, we're moving 40 pips here. Where's the latest Bitcoin narrative that is digital gold? Does it mean there are only 21 million? What about asteroid mining? There's 21 million ounces of gold on Earth, and it's all taken. That's gonna be interesting for the future of gold. Let me say it like that. Then you're probably gonna see like gold at 100k and Bitcoin at 1 million. I think. Regardless of what anybody says, I think Bitcoin is going to hit 1 million one day. And I think gold is going to hit 100k one day. Same thing as silver now is at 50 and it was at 30 a few months ago. Same thing with gold, right? We were also at 50 and 30 at some point. And we were also at 50 and 30 on Bitcoin. Created that lower low. Lower high. Can we get a lower low? Thank you. We also got that 3 minute engulfing. Nice. They just keep finding new mines for gold. Yeah, there should be plenty. There should be plenty. Especially if you go to Asia or if you go to South America. What do you want from me, bro? You just created a lower low. Not even above here. It has to be 82.9, I guess. Yeah, 82.9. I'm not gonna risk it, guys. I'm not gonna risk it. But 82 cannot be done. That's impossible. 82.9, because you have to cover the high. You have to cover the high. As a minimum, you have to cover the high. This is your 3-minute family gap right there. I want to cry this time. Hoo-hoo. You should have joined the GBP USD trade. That went good. We hit 17 pips on TB1. I don't know what it is with gold today. It's so much manipulative moves. Look at that. Even if we put like this, probably just gonna break through it. Today has not been a great day, guys, but if we can end the day with a massive push to the downside and get 400 pips, then it would be a really, really good day. Okay? If you guys can just get a little bit back of what you lost, I would be so happy. Today has not been a great day. Okay, okay, we're moving. We're moving. Okay, 50 pips. Okay, 60 pips. Can we get 70 pips? Can we take this out, this bottom wick? Fuck it, I'm not gonna risk it, guys. Trillion stop loss, take partial. Stop loss below entry for risk-free trade. Not gonna risk more. Not gonna risk more. Risk-free trade. Stop loss at BE. 75.8. Okay? Alright, if it comes down to TB1, we're happy. If it doesn't, at least we got 50 pips there. Okay? Partial taken. Let's see. Come on, break the low, bro. This is about to drop. Come on, baby. Come on, give it to us. Let's end this stream with a bang. With a bang of a trade. Come on. Have you all trailed your stop loss? You're absolutely risk-free, right? You're absolutely risk-free, right, guys? Everybody risk-free, right? Tell me you're all risk-free. Also you, trade man. Look at that top wick. Come on, gold. Risk-free, partial taken. Nice. Come on, gold. That's a top wick right there. Come on, push it down. Here we go. You got your lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You are following the trend line. You broke down from the order block. You tapped into the family gap. Come on. Here we go. That's a good top wick. That's what we like to see. Come on, gold. Come on, be a good boy. Be a good boy. Yes. Come on. There we go. Come on, guys. Let's end it with a banger. Come on. Come on. I know you want to. I know. Don't tease me now. Come on. Come on. Continuous red. This is the last entry and hoping saved my account. Don't risk your whole account on one trade, please. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's not good. Come on. Come on. Break that low. Break that low, guys. Break that low. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. There it is. There it is, guys. Yes. We broke the low. We're now running 100 pips. We run 100 pips. But now, oh no, no, don't go up. Don't go up, don't go up. Keep going, keep going. The momentum. Keep going, go. Keep going, keep going. We had 100 pips. I just forgot to take partial because I was so excited. Anybody took some partial there? We at least hit TB1. So you got 60 pips. Okay, TB1. Come on. Come on, give it to us. TB2 is 52. It's right here, guys. Right here. Let me know if you're still in the trade. Are you still in the trade? Come on. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on. Break it. Break it. Give it to me. Look at that. Look how bearish it is, bro. I'm calling it a good luck. You calling it a day? You haven't hit B, bro. Come on. Stay with us. Stay with us. This is it. This is it. Okay, guys. Running 70 pips. Running 80 pips. Can we get 100 pips? At 100 pips, we take partial, okay? 100 pips is right here. 100 pips is right here. Who's in this trade with me? Wow, gold is teasing. Oh my god, it's teasing. It's teasing so much. It doesn't want to break the low. But it also doesn't want to go up. Look at that. It's teasing, baby. Woo! Come on, give us 100 pips here. And let's end the day with 200 pips. Come on, come on. And there we go. 100 pips, guys. Take some partial here. 100 plus pips. All right, all right. Getting some of the loss back we had. Okay. TB1 hit. Running 100 plus pips. All right. TB2 is down here, 52.
Get shit on, brother.
Put your trail your stop loss to just above this entry. Okay, so your new PE should be 74.6. Okay. Let's see.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, thanks for the follow on ICN live stream. Hope you're doing well. We took partial 100 pips, guys. Let's see if we can continue it down. I put my TP 25. Ah, that will be crazy if we can come down there now. Come on. Had a really, really nice 30-minute candle here. Don't go up now, bro. We are so close to TP2. 100 pips is good, but it's not enough to also get... I mean, maybe it's enough to cover the loss, but it might not be enough to cover also profit. Come on. Give people 200, 300 pips. I'll be very thankful at TP 4052 and I'm out. And me too, me too. It looks like it's breaking down, bro. But it keeps touching the neckline here, right? Keeps touching the neckline. You can see here over here. See here, this is your low. You have TP2 right here at the low, right? Come on. Touching the neckline again. My short from yesterday, 4,126, is still running. Let's go. Go, Doc. Come on. Big push to the downside goal. We know you want to. We know you love it. You love it. You love it. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on.
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Boy.
It's so big!
Oh. Yeah, baby. Come on. Come on, get it. Get it. No. Go. Don't be a pussy. Come on. Hammerman is here. Big hammer. Hammering you down. Big hammer. No. No. Hammerman is here. Come on. Down, boy. Mood swings? Yep. Definitely. I think gold is on its period right now. To be honest, like crazy. Okay, guys, come on. Can we hit TP2? Come on. If we hit TP2, you guys can get some profit, and then hopefully you guys are totally recovered and you're in profit. Okay. How many of you will be recovered if you hit TP2? Trade man? I think you risked a lot, right? Didn't you, trade man? I think I can tell you risked a lot. You risked a lot, didn't you?
Get shit on, brother.
Boop, 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 boop. Okay, come on, come on, come on. We're almost there. We're almost there. Guys, if we take out this low, I want you to take some more partial. If we take out this low here, I want you to take some more partial, okay? Because it looks like now gold is gonna be on its period again. No. No, no. Down, boy. Down, boy. Hammer. Hammer. I'm moving the entire body here. Hammer. Stay down, boy. Stay down. Come on. Orbits, was you taking as much else as this before? Or it's been like past weeks or so? Huh? What? We only lost today? What do you mean? Yesterday we got 500 pips, bro. And if we win this trade, we're not gonna lose. We just hit TB1, man. You just had from 76 down to 60, 160 pips. Don't go up again, bro. Don't go up again. Come on, we're almost there. We're almost there. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more, brother. Just a little bit more. What are you doing now? Creating a 5-minute order block there. You want to touch the neckline again? Haven't you had enough? Haven't you had enough? Okay, not the neckline, but you want it to come a little bit up there. Okay. Okay, that one we can be okay with. It's okay. That one we can be okay with. See if we can break down a leg again. Come on, let's make a lower low here. And then we can trail our stop loss a little. What's your take on Bitcoin? 85. 85. And then if you break 85, 65. Come on, gold. Yes, let's take out the low. Let's take it out. We're almost there, guys. I don't know why it's so stubborn. What it wants from us. Why it's not just breaking the low. Is it because it's still longing for that Asia high or what? Come on, gold. You're almost there. You're holding a sale or waiting to buy from 85? I'm in a sell, bro. Like, you can't read? Sell now, 76. Risk-free trade, stop loss at BE, 74.6. TB1 hit, running 100 plus pips. You guys don't read or what? We sold here, man. After we tapped into the 1 hour orb, into the family gap, I mean on Bitcoin. Oh, on Bitcoin. No, I'm waiting for 65 or 85. If we come down to 85, I'm gonna put a little bit, but I'm not gonna put a lot unless we take out 85. I'm expecting some kind of liquidity sweep, some kind of flush out, like the one you had, you remember here? Boom, 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 boom. This is the 1 minute, so this is really difficult to see. Yeah, I can show you now. We're in a trade, bro. But there was a flush a few months back where a lot of people lost money. A lot of people lost money. I'm expecting something similar. Okay, guys, coming down to that TB2. Let's see. TB2 is right here. TB2 is right here. It's literally, come on, break that low. Break that low. I want to trail the stop loss more for more profit. Had a good move down here, but like it doesn't want to break the next low. Or it will, but it's just consolidating a lot. Okay, while it's just consolidating, we can look at the BTC. So here, my friend, look at this. You remember this one? That one here. This is what I'm expecting. Something like this happening again. Some kind of flush. And either you're gonna flush it down, something like that, or you're gonna come down to 85, create some structure, take out a little bit of bias and then have it, or you're gonna come all the way down to 65 first and then have a flush. That's what I'm expecting. Flush is literally just people losing money. They're being the liquidity of big investors. Okay, guys, come on. We're almost there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Doc, do you think we're gonna get it? Could this happen on gold too? No. No. That's not how gold works. Come on. Come on. Doc, do you think we're gonna break it? Do you think we're gonna break it? It's so stubborn, man. It's coming, it's coming. Can you feel it? $19 more minutes, and then we have the next hourly closure. And if the hourly closure closes down here, well, that's a big red candle. And 4 more minutes until the 50-minute. Okay, here we go. I think this is it. I think this is it. Okay, be ready, guys, to take some more partial. And take partial here, guys. Take partial here. Okay, you got 3 partials now. Now your TB2 is here at 52. Please make sure that you are either BE or that you have recovered or that you are very, very close to recovering, because you got now 180 plus pips and TB2 is literally here, which is going to be 220 pips. Any re-entries? No, I'm not trading more, bro. Too much. Not gonna risk it. Not gonna risk it. Okay, guys, come on. TB2 is right here. Dude's right here. We've been trading since 3 p.m. TV. Now it's 5:42, which means we've been trading for 2 hours and 42 minutes. And I also need some lunch. It's 5 p.m. for me. I haven't gotten lunch yet. It's almost dinner time now for me. But I can be doing this for you if you want. Like I can do copy trading for you. You can just join the Sense account if you want. Everyone who's watching right now, if you don't have the patience for this, and if you don't like to trade like this, and if you don't want to trade like this, or you have too much family, or you are too busy, or whatever it is, then I can trade for you. We have copy trading for both Sense accounts and also USD accounts. Sense accounts you can do as little as $10. There's no investment, and then you can grow your money over time. I'm trading on your behalf. That means I'm trading on your account, but I'm not trading directly on your account. I'm trading on my own account and then copying myself to your account. So we're just gonna do profit split. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. So yeah, I get 39.5%. You get 60.5%. So that's it. But yeah, we took out that 58, guys. We came down and took that 58 below 60. I don't know if that's the bottom there or if we're gonna come down to 50. But it looks good, but it's also like taking a lot of time. Slowly coming, but taking a lot of time. 2 partials again. If TB2 hits, I'm out. Enough for today. Fucking news, but learned a lot today. But Doc, are you gonna be recovered if you hit TB2? That's my question. I want to make sure that everybody is BE or a little bit in profit. Now I'm not recovered from today's loss. But how is that possible? Because this here is literally 220 pips. And then we got 50 pips. And we got 40 pips. And then we lost at 70 pips. And then we also lost the 150 pips. So I guess if you only take partials of this, it's not gonna cover this. I guess that's what you mean. But this is also 90 pips. And both of those were clean. It was only this one that was a little bit. I guess you have to take it to TB3 then. Gotta take some partial down here. You're gonna trail your stop loss and take it to TB3. 25. No, guys. Let this run. See how it goes. If it goes well, you take some more partials on the way. TB3 is gonna be 25. Everything below 4,000 is gonna be amazing. But yeah, we have to survive this first. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, have a great time. Have a good one. Love you guys. Bye-bye.